Today we'll talk about how can you select, how can invite your to communities on your app. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings and come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. When you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step. Then you just go down here, you keep going down, come here to who can contact me. Then you just come here to who can invite me to communities, just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list to select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.